In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email with an attachment using Power Automate. This process can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry. I'll guide you through it step by step, making sure you understand each part clearly so you can apply it to your own work. Let's begin by heading into Power Automate. Once you're there, you'll need to create a new flow. This flow is essentially a sequence of steps that Power Automate will complete for you automatically. When creating your flow, you'll need to choose a trigger. This trigger is like the starting point for your flow. It could be something like when a new email arrives or when a file is created. Choose one that best suits your needs, as it will determine when your flow activates to perform its tasks. Next, you'll need to retrieve the content of the attachment you want to send. For this, use the Get File Content action. This action is crucial because it allows Power Automate to access and retrieve the content of the file you plan to attach to your email. It's worth noting that this action is available for a variety of services like OneDrive and SharePoint, which are commonly used for storing files. Now that you have the file content ready, it's time to move on to sending the email with the attachment. You'll do this by adding the Send an Email V2 action. This feature allows Power Automate to compose and send emails automatically. In the Attachments field, make sure to add the file name and the file content that you retrieved earlier. The Name field should have the exact name of your file, and for the Content Bytes field, you'll want to use the file content you got from the previous action. This is how you ensure that the file is correctly attached to the email that will be sent. Finally, it's important to save your flow and give it a thorough test. Saving your work ensures that all your settings remain intact. Once saved, testing it is crucial to verify that the email is indeed sent correctly with the attachment included. This step helps catch any mistakes in the process and gives you peace of mind knowing that everything is working as it should be. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to send an email with an attachment using Power Automate. Through this process, you've learned to automate a task that could save you significant time and streamline your workflow. Stick around for more practical guides that aim to simplify tasks one step at a time.